Before we wrap today, one of the things we like to do is share something we refer to as the Whissel widget of the week. And this is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got, Bryan?
So my tool, I haven't used it a whole lot. I was using the free version, but I think we'll do the paid version. I think it's like $100 a year. It's really cheap. But what it does is it takes writing or copy and it rewrites it to where it doesn't sound exactly the same. So people were using this to get around kind of plagiarizing checks, which I still think it's still plagiarizing. You just don't get caught for it. And so I'm not advocating that. But what I want to use it for is, like we mentioned earlier, is create something from ChatGPT, run it through this program, let it reword it. And again, you got to kind of tweak it and move things around. And there's another website where you can check to see the AI-ness of a post. And when they ran it through this process, it had a much better score. And this tool is called Quill Bot, Quillbot. And I think the free version allows 250 words or 250 characters to rewrite. But the paid version is a lot more. And so creating a blog post, running it through on ChatGPT, running it through Quillbot, and then posting it is going to be much better than just running it through ChatGPT and uploading it right away. So that is my widget, Quillbot.
There you go. Way to finish strong, Bryan.
Strongish.
Cool. The one I've got, I used to be an Android user, switched over to iPhone years ago. One of the features that I missed with Android is I had the ability to schedule text messages.
Yes.
Which was a huge pain in the ass coming over to iPhone because there is at least no native solution to scheduling text messages. And I'm somebody who's up early every morning. I'm up at 5 o'clock every morning. There's so many times I have these ideas in my head and I want to send a text message and then I forget to send it. So the solution is called Moxy Messenger, Moxy Messenger. And what you can do with this is you could type your whole text message, pick who you want it to go to, pick the time that you want it to go out. Now, what it can't do is send it for you. What it can do is, let's say it's 5 o'clock and you have a thought pop in your head. You could type the whole thing, tell it at 9 o'clock, send this text message to Bryan. At 9 o'clock, it'll pop up on the screen, hit a button, and it sends. So it is a far better solution than the current one, which is just remembering shit in your head that you're going to forget about.
Or texting at 5 a.m.
Yeah, or texting at 5 a.m. and pissing people off. So you can just queue it up in the system. Basically, you're saving it as a draft, simultaneously setting a reminder to come back to the draft, which is just non-native to iOS. So this is the best solution that I have found to remind me to send a text message at a set time, and I get to pre-type the content. Because what I was doing before was just like, hey Siri, remind me to send Bryan a text message at 9 o'clock. Then I had to like go back and type the message or remember what I was going to say. So this way I get it out of my head at 5 a.m. and then I get a reminder at 9 o'clock, hit a button, and it sends through to you. So Moxy Messenger, Moxy.
Definitely going to download that.
Fire.
Sweet.
And there's a free option, a paid option. If you want to be able to include images, you got to pay. If you're just straight text only, it's free. So check that out. That one's been really big for me lately.
Cool.
Awesome. Well, hopefully you guys got a lot out of the show today. If you want to stay connected, you can always DM me on Instagram at Kyle Whissel. And if you want more of the show, thewhisselway.com. Kyle Whissel, Whissel Realty Group, and EXP.
Bryan Kochi. See you guys soon.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.